Good morning, dear students. I am your Ritesh sir. Again, we are with new chapter of class 6, Air, the Bridge of Life. As earlier, when we were talking about the water, I said that we have five matter. Right now, in this, we discussed about water. Now it is air. Again, that is your fire, soil, and sky. These are the five matter. So, as we know that in your previous class you studied about the matter having what is called matter, anything that occupies space, anything that occupies space and having mass, that is called matter. So, if I am saying air it is a matter, then it having some mass, it having some space also, right now. So for the mass, if you take a simple balloon and measure the weight of it, and if you blow the air and now you measure the blow air balloon, then you will find that little bit increase in the mass of that balloon. What does it mean? It means that air having mass. Clear? Means air having mass, and it also occupies space. So that's why air, it is a matter which having mass and also occupy the space. Clear? Now we are talking about the composition of the air. What is air? Air, it is a mixture of gases, dust particles, and water vapor. Right? Air, it is a combination or the mixture of gases, dust particles, and water vapor. Right now, by this it make air is made up of. Okay. So now we have some things here. Is air around us? Yes. Air is present everywhere. Without air, how we can breathe? No, not possible. Right now. And it is, we study in this use of the air. As you know, we cannot respire without the air. Respiration, in the process of respiration, we take oxygen and release carbon dioxide. By this we get energy. Another, the plant kingdom also perform the photosynthesis. In the photosynthesis we already studied in the presence of carbon dioxide. Right now, without carbon dioxide, plant also cannot perform their photosynthesis. They cannot make their own food. Right now, when they perform photosynthesis, then only they release the oxygen what we breathe in. Right? So we cannot breathe and plant cannot prepare any kind of the food. So air is present all around us. Understood? Suddenly, if you strike a matchstick, then it catch the fire, it get the flame. You light a candle in your birthday. You light a candle. In candle, when you light the candle, then what it's happened? It is air present, then only it can burn or it can light. Right now, what you do in your birthday, you light the candle in the presence of air, it is possible, and when you blow, means by this blowing air you exert pressure on the flame and it cut off. Means air also exert pressure. I will explain it at this point also, but here since we are talking about your birthday candle, that's fine. Okay, so air is present all around us. Right now, when you feel in the summer season, a gentle blowing air is coming and you feel little bit cool, you feel relaxed. How it is possible? Since the water molecules present in that air, it gives you a pleasant feelings. So that, okay, now, does soil contain air? Yes, Soil also contain air, right? Soil also contain air, liquid also here. Before soil, I want to talk about the water. Water, little bit mistake, you can adjust with it, please. Water, yes, water also having the, it also contain the gases or the air. For example, all aquatic life, means the fish on another the plant kingdom, how they are surviving? As you know that respiration is compulsory, it is a prime activity for all living organisms. So the fish and other creatures, many creatures are in the water now. How they can survive if there is no presence of air? So that's why you also know fish do take respiration or oxygen through the gills. So what in water air is present. Okay. If there is no carbon dioxide present in the water, then how aquatic plant perform their photosynthesis? Means oxygen or carbon dioxide both is there. Okay, another example. If you, when you open up a bottle of cold drink, when you open a bottle of cold drink, you have listened this kind of a sound. What it is? It is carbon dioxide gas which is dissolved in the liquid, in that liquid, but that's why when you open it, then it comes out. If you shake and then open it, then due to the pressure it goes up. Liquid all in bottle will go up. The contain the cold drink. Means air exert pressure also, right? Na? When you are moving on the bike, your hair will like this. Your hair will move here and there. How? Because air exert pressure. You may ask your parents, when they used to ride on bike, they feel some pressure here because they are sitting in front and the air used to work on their body, and that's why they feel the pressure. Your hair will also move upward direction because air is coming like this, so air exert pressure. In these days, when you are flying the kite, just 14 November, we have celebration of Makar Sankranti. How this kite will go up, go up, go up? It goes up with the pressure of air. If air is not present, then it will not fly much more high. Understood? So air exert pressure also. Right now, air exert pressure also. Understood? So now this 2 point is clear. Now I am coming point. Next point. Does soil also contain air? Yes. If on the dry space you have seen nearby you, if you pour some water, then you feel some bubbles are coming on the ground surface. If you on a dry place, if you pour some water, then you feel that some air bubbles are coming. What does it? That is air present in the soil which is coming in the form of air bubble. One thing. You have also seen when you take up the soil during the plantation, then you also have seen some small insect, earthworm. Some creatures are there. How they can survive without respiration? They survive because the air present in the soil, from there they can survive. Right now, otherwise how they can survive? So these are the important facts and the features of the air. Air present all around us. Air is also present in the soil. Air is also present in water. Air exerts pressure. And now photosynthesis, it is clear. Burning. For the burning, 3 important factors are important. One, the proper temperature. Without temperature, nothing, fire cannot take place. fuel, proper fuel is needed for the lightning or the flaming. And now oxygen, it is very important. In the absence of oxygen, there is no flame. If you just light a candle and just cover it with the transparent glass, after few minutes it will get over, right now? How? Because there is no supply of oxygen, so it cannot take place. Clear, Babu? So this is the important feature, burning. One more important, carbon dioxide. It also helps to minimize or shut the fire also. So in the fire extinguisher, carbon dioxide is also present there, right now. So when you spray the carbon dioxide, it will cut off the supply of oxygen. So in the both condition, for the burning the flame, oxygen is needed, part of the air. For the to control the fire, carbon dioxide is needed, so it is also part of air, right now. So in this both condition, it is important. Okay, respiration we know it very well. Regulation, temperature. Okay, temperature. Nowadays blowing in your winter season, most of you having some blower using the heater. One in your class 7, when we studied about the heat, there is transformation of the heat, conduction and another conduction. When it's come into the contact, that is called conduction, and another is conduction. And one more point, that is when air molecules, convection, yes, convection, when air molecules moving all around here and it transfer to the heat, one molecule to another molecule. So the transformation, it is also important. Right now you are sitting simply in your room, and now you just light a room heater. After few minutes you feel that the entire room is feeling hot, right now. So how it is possible? Because air regulates the temperature. That temperature, it is there, and it at a certain point, and it warm up complete room because of the air regulates the temperature. It is for example of this. And as you know, for the hearing we need medium, and that medium is sound. Whatever I used to speak in the space, suppose if you are just standing out of the if in between you and me, if any glass wall is there, we can see each other, we cannot listen each other. If between you and me certain wall is there, glass of wall, then we cannot listen each other. Why? Because that air of this side will not able to cross that side, so that we cannot communicate, right now. So for the moving of the sound wave, for the propagation of the sound wave, medium is required, that is air. Right now, in the absence of air, we are not able to listen. So in the space, there is no sound, because many places having the vacuum. Vacuum is the space, is the place where there is no air molecules. So that sound air is also important for the listening. Okay, one more, compressed air. All of you having cycle, bicycle, in that tire there is inside tube is there. Tube, it is filled with air, that is compressed air. Then only we can ride smoothly our bikes, our vehicles. In the absence of air, we feel problem, right now. So here it is also important for the moving, for the transportation or the moving of the vehicle. Compressed air is required. Understood? So This is the composition. Is it clear? Nitrogen. Nitrogen, it is also in your class 8 you will study about the nitrogen cycle. Okay, so this is air, the brief of life. No air, no life. Thank you. Have a nice day.